Hey friends, check it out. I have the Stamps of Life January card kit, and I love the box. It's so awesome. So let's dive in. I want to do just a quick unboxing. I'm going to be creating a full set of Kendra's Card Challenge cards with this card kit. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a full process video so you can see from beginning to end a set of 15 cards featuring these gorgeous papers. Oh my gosh, look how adorable this is. These are little penguins. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So these are 24 sheets of double-sided pattern papers. Look how gorgeous these all are. And oh, I love this. You've got a really nice cut apart, and it actually, you can die cut it with the puffin dies, which we'll see if we actually have that included. Sometimes it's an add-on, so I'll double check all of those details for you. Oh, I love typography prints. I do also really love the fact that on one side you'll find, something very themed, and then on the back side you're gonna find something that is like a small repeat pattern like we've been seeing, or some solids that perfectly coordinate. I really appreciate, I know solids might feel like, oh, that's such a waste, but the thing is that, maybe not so much with gray, but like this color for example, this plum color, it's gonna be a perfect match to the images, in this case, the fonts that are in the rest of the pattern papers, and you'll find it, throughout. So not only is it gonna coordinate beautifully because everything sort of is sort of in that same tone, but as well it's going to be exact match to some of the images, and that just makes these papers really easy to craft with, especially if you do plan to combine multiple sheets on a single card, which often when you're crafting Kendra's Card Challenge, you're going to be mixing and matching multiple patterns. And I think at this point we've repeated. So you're going to get multiple sheets of each design. And that way, if you do like to make your cards in multiples, you'll be able to, because you'll have, I think, 2 sheets of each design. So really love that. And I love the fact that, like I said, the more highly themed, really on the backs of everything, there's going to be like a nice, easy print to craft with. But it's particularly nice because, once you're done crafting this theme, you're going to have, you're going to still be able to use the pattern papers, just flip to the back, because that's going to be a really nice, easy to use print, or solid in this case. So really love that. You don't even have to stretch and reach for solid color cardstock with a paper pad like this. So I love that so much. What else is in this kit? Because there's so much to craft with in the card making kit. We've got some bling. Really love that it's in different sizes as well, so you have different multiple different sizes. We've got some beautiful ribbon. This is pretty thin, which is really great. We've got some snowflake embellishments. These are gorgeous. Those are lovely. And the color just matches beautifully. Check this out. So you have some stickers. These make for really easy crafting. They don't feel very thick to me, so if you want to make these like a little bit sturdier, what you could do is you can always peel and stick them onto some cardstock. And that way it's a little bit more substantial if you need it to be more substantial. But otherwise, these I think are really great for cards, or maybe even for your planners. I think they would be really lovely as well. So I love that. And then we have some dies. So this is from All of Us. So that looks like it's a shadow die, and then you have the individual words. So you can cut the words out, and then you can have the shadow layer behind it. So love that. And oh, look at this. It's an A1 puffin folded die set. So you can make a shaped card with this if you want. But look at how adorable this puffin is. He's so cute. This was really lovely. You've got the outline die and you've got the puffin die itself. So what's cool about this is you can cut it multiple times and then just make some really easy snips if you want to layer on different colors. So I love that. That's how they've kind of achieved this look here. Or you can always die cut out of white and then maybe ink blend a little bit to get some different shadows and coloring. So that's really lovely. Now look at this. Isn't this great? Having this plastic folder is just awesome. And let's open this up and bring out everything inside. Okay, so I love that there's a spot here where you can label your kit as well. So that's really awesome. And inside you can put everything. This is great for storing everything. So everything is going to fit right back inside there. But in your kit, you're going to also get some beautiful solid color cardstock. So let's see. And these are just so perfect. Let's see how well they match with the pattern paper. Because if you run out, oh my gosh, look at how perfect that is. It's a slightly different finish because this is sort of a semi-gloss and this is the cardstock is matte. But man, that's so perfect. So we're gonna get lots of colors here. Oh, look at all these lovely blues. I love it. So many sheets of solid color cardstock. You've got your purples, your teals, your blues, your grays, and on top of that, we get white cardstock as well. Great for your card bases. You have 4 sheets of white. So that's a lot of cardstock in this kit. You have 4 sheets of white. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets of solid color cardstock. So that's amazing. And of course, you're also going to get the coordinating envelopes. And no excuses for not sending out cards because the envelopes come included. So these are A2 size envelopes and you're going to get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 envelopes. And I know that there is way more in this kit than what you would need to make 12 cards. You can definitely make lots and lots of cards. Way more than 12 cards with this kit. I'm gonna make 15 cards as I play along with Kendra's card challenge, so stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, check it out. I'm gonna put everything into this handy envelope and really lovely, great storage because once your paper pad's down to just a few sheets, it might be easier to like store it in an envelope like this rather than have those loose sheets fall out potentially. So everything is nice and coordinated. Whatever leftovers you have, you can easily just slip into this envelope and just store it all inside here. Look at that. So there you have it. And this has a convenient little tuck spot here. So you can just tuck this in and keep everything from falling out. There you go. All right, friends, that's a quick unboxing of the January The Stamps of Life card kit. I'm going to leave links to everything in the description box below so you can grab the kit for yourself or just get a closer look at it. And until next time, Stay tuned. I'm gonna have a KCC process video. I'll teach you how to cut down your 6 sheets of pattern paper, and from start to finish, we're gonna make a full set of KCC cards with this kit. Thanks for checking out my video today, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.